What's going on, everybody? It's Wendell here at BrandsMart USA, and today I want to show you this amazing product that has a perfect combination of style and functionality that's going to take your cooking experience to the next level. The GE Kitchen Hub. Now let's not waste any more time and let's dive right into this product. This 27-inch over-the-range hood with integrated smart touchscreen and smart display is designed to fit in the space above your range at the center of your home. With the GE Kitchen Hub, you can control your entire smart home from your kitchen with Uconnect. Interact with your GE appliances and other connected devices. With the dual camera system, you can enjoy video chatting, cooking live with your loved ones, taking pictures of your food, sharing them on social media with front-facing and overhead cameras. Uconnect, what is that, you ask? Uconnect is an app that is designed to run your GE appliances. It gives you the power to control all of your smart GE appliances from one place. Also, it lets you interact with other connected devices. Keep in touch with the latest entertainment by streaming music, movies, and shows by using Netflix, Hulu, and Spotify right from your kitchen. With built-in Google Assistant, you can optimize your on-the-go lifestyle, use your voice to preheat your oven, progress to the next step in the recipe app, check your calendar, respond to text, and more. So there you have it, guys, the GE Kitchen Hub right here at BrandsMart USA.